Hello everybody. Today we are going to be focusing on the core word want. We use the want mainly to request for things that we need or like or want. So a lot of times we start with the word want because it can be very motivating for our kids to communicate. They want that snack, they want that book, they want that TV show or toy. So they are more likely to learn a word like want because they get something when they ask for it. So today we're just going to model a couple different situations or scenarios of how we can model the word want. So one way we can model the word want is if when you're playing with toys with your child on the floor or at the table. You can give a couple blocks for your kid to play with at first, and then you can have the other toys kind of away from them, out of reach. This way it might be more motivating for them to ask you to have more blocks or that they want more blocks. So maybe they play with their blocks at first and then they reach toward the blocks and you could say, oh, you want more blocks. Okay, here's blocks. Oh, you wanted those blocks. So just modeling it as much as possible, and every time they try to reach, turn it into a communication interaction where they're requesting or modeling that request. Oh yeah, you want the blocks. Okay, here you go. That is one way that we can model while we're playing. Another activity that you could use the word want in is, let's say, if you're doing an art project or coloring. And they may need to request for something that they want, or what color do they want. One way to help elicit a communication interaction is you could hold up two markers and say, oh, which color? What color do you want? Do you want blue or do you want red? Which one do you want? And when your child reaches for one, you can say, oh, you wanted blue, here's blue. And then you can ask other following up questions like, oh, what do you want to draw? The last way I'm going to show you how you can model the word want is during a book reading activity. So for example, in the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, he is very hungry and he wants to eat more food. Just to let you know in this book that there's not the word want written inside this book, but you can add it while you're talking about it. So for example, from when the hungry caterpillar says that he started to look for some food, you read that line and then you say, oh, he wants to eat, he's hungry. On Monday, he ate through one apple. But he was still hungry. He wants more food. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. Oh, he still wants more food. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums, but he was still hungry. Oh, he wants more food. And you can also pair the word more with this. Like I said, as you get more comfortable, you can start modeling more of those words. So I hope that this was helpful of different ideas of how to model the word want at home. Again, reach out if you have any questions or comments or concerns or want ideas. Let me know, and I hope you have fun modeling the core word want.